You tap a link, but Facebook says, "This page isn't available right now." This annoying error locks millions of users out of pages, groups, and profiles every day. Don't worry, I will show you exactly how to fix it in under 2 minutes.
First, let's run a quick diagnostic check. Open the page in an incognito window or log out of Facebook. If the page loads here, the content is still online, and your browser cache or account is the issue. If it fails here too, the page may be deleted or restricted by the owner. Always check Down Detector to see if Facebook servers are down.
Second, let's clear the corrupted app cache. On Android, open Settings, go to Apps, find Facebook, and tap Clear Cache. On iOS, delete and reinstall the Facebook app. If you are on a desktop browser, clear your browser cookies and site data, then log back in to refresh your active session.
Third, disable any active VPNs and ad blockers. Facebook block lists shared VPN IP addresses and blocks page elements when ad blockers restrict their tracking scripts. Also, make sure your device's date and time are set to automatic. Incorrect system time will break secure SSL connections and block page loading entirely.
Fourth, check for age and country restrictions. Page admins often block specific regions or restrict pages to 18+. Confirm if you have been blocked by viewing the page from a friend's account. If the page is visible to them but not you, your account has been blocked or restricted.
So, why does this happen? The page creator may have deactivated or deleted the content, or Meta might have flagged it for policy violations. Browser extension conflicts, corrupt cookies, and automatic age limits are also very common. Remember, never trust third-party recovery services, as they are scams.
Now you can get back to browsing Facebook without errors. Make sure to update your app regularly to prevent future glitches. If this guide helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more quick tech fixes, and drop a comment below. All solutions shown are for educational purposes.